What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna stick a transmission in this ridiculous green truck you see out here. Huh. Bear with me. Shift lever, little tractor, transfer case, big stupid green truck. I'm gonna set the main camera up on the tripod and we're gonna slap this bad boy in, so stay tuned. Okay, we're back. What we got going on is we've got the flex plate bolts that backed out. And we had the diamond kit, we had all the stuff, but I don't think there was Loctite on the bolts. So now we got to fix this guy. So we got all of our blue layout fluid on there. So now we're going to go ahead and hit it with a little flat DA and see what's up. Okay, you know how it goes being a diesel guy, right? You got one blown up truck, engine, transmission, you know, whatever, like normal diesel guy stuff. And we need a flex plate. We weren't sure we were gonna have flex plate, but then it dawned on me, I got a whole nother freaking motor just sitting here that's got a flex plate on it. So we're gonna drag this bad boy out. Yeah, we're sticking that on. This is a great opportunity for me to say, don't do as I do or do as you please. Do it your own damn way. This is how I do it.
That looks like a good pile of bolts. Yeah, this is it.
Okay, so we robbed our flex plate off of our backup motor way over there in the corner. Honestly, completely forgot about that engine. And then now you see up here we got 3 flex plates. The one that we had on it that kind of got fretting and kind of got screwed up, so we're not going to use it anymore. The one that was on the backup motor, so it's good to go. But this one I had in stock, but it's a 68 plate, so I'm not even going to mess with it. Plus it's brand new, so who wants to do that? So we're going to throw this bad boy on and then stick this thing back in. This is all just going to be for a sled pull we got coming up. And the only thing I'm really missing is more of the BD diesel kit, like the diamond interlock kit. I'm missing one shim. I just simply don't have a new kit in stock. But I'm pretty sure these torque converter bolts right here did not get Loctite. There's no Loctite on them. But it backed out, so whatever. We survived through UCC like that. Now we're going to Loctite them in, torque them 125, and reuse all this crap and hoe this thing back together, so stay tuned. But this is what we've been doing for a long time. You put anti-seize underneath the head, and you put red Loctite on the thread, and you torque it to 125. I know that people out there have all your theories, and you're going to put Loctite all on the flange of that, and you're going to glue it together. You need NORAD washers, and you need to weld the damn thing on, and JB weld it full and use duct tape and everything, but we're going to put this thing together. Very important, very important, very important. This torque converter seal on the Sancher shaft. You got to pack that dude like really full of grease. One time we put a transmission in, and then we went to this dyno event in Salt Lake City from Texas. I know, like 18 hours, 22 hours, like long drive. And we cut that bad boy the night before. And we got all the way up there and made 800 horsepower in the dyno and slipped the transmission and smoked the converter out of it. So, lots of grease, lots of finesse. Tony will show you how.
That's it.
Man, that was like the easiest that's ever went in. Holy smokes. Eat. Fingers. Looking good over here. I've never put a transmission in a Dodge before. Help me, I'm new. I'm ready for a Bellhausen bolt over here. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one I was thinking of. I'm just joking. I've put lots of transmissions in lots of Dodges. I've put a whole lot of transmissions in one Dodge in particular. I mean, I have to admit, you have to be a little bit special to do these things. Take your truck, throw all your money you have at it, because there's no money left over ever, and all your friends, and you take all your parts and you go compete and you just try to blow it up. Why would we ever do such a thing? Couldn't think of one good reason. Not one good reason at all. But all them people, all you people help me. And that's the only reason we keep going. That in the comment section. Torque converters. This is very important. This is a little tech tip that I do. Yet again, I'm sure y'all already know how to do it all. Shove that converter all the way back. Like your little screwdriver, you get in there, shove it all the way back. Take your permanent marker, draw you a little line, and hold it nice and flush on that flex plate. And then shove that son of a gun forward. And then make you another line. Now, you should have a gap there, and you should be able to look at that and understand if it's good or bad. Like here, we'll do another one. You just roll it to a different spot, put it flat on the flex plate, draw you a little line, and now we're gonna shove it back. We're gonna try to. There we go. And draw you another little line. See, this converter does not have that much end play because the two lines are extremely close. Whether that's good or bad, I don't know, but we're gonna run it. That one's actually pretty tight.
I mean, yes, it is.
It actually is.
Did they make this converter longer?
I don't
Are we
know.
supposed to use the 6/7 adapter plate on this one?
I don't think so, but I could be wrong. It definitely moves though, so it just, the mark is kind of in the same width of the tip. So we're gonna run that, but either way, it's a good way to check torque converter in play. All right, I got you guys a little tech tip. Whenever you're putting in your converter bolts, sometimes you need the bolt to stick through the socket a little bit, so you just put a little piece of paper towel behind it. And then you can reach way up there. Like way up there. You gotta get past all that ghetto stuff though. Watch. Come on. Oh, I'm sure y'all can do it one-handed, but I cannot. All right, I got something here. Tell me what your thoughts are. But the belt has jumped a rib. So I'm gonna shove you up there between the radiator and the belt and show you. You can see here, it's like off. It's off pretty good. Matter of fact, it's starting to break the belt. And over here on the idler, the exact same way. But we had to put a power steering pump on it at the track, and then you press on the new pulley. And I kind of think I need to push the pulley on further. If that pulley's too far out, it goes up there. That bolt has been bent before, and it lines it up. You can definitely tell it's not happy. There's our bracket. Our washer's welded, and now we're in first, and it's good. So now I'm gonna go up in the cab and I'm gonna shift it. I'm gonna shift it, and Tony's gonna check each individual gear. That way we know every gear is gonna be adjusted correctly. First, second. What do you want? Third? Third? Oh. Downshift. Second. First. All right, second. Third. Neutral. Reverse. Park. Now, park's probably not going to come out, or it's going to jump when it does. Perfect. Okay, we're going to see how that works. Check that out. Ain't that nice? Sweet and simple. Is it the best? Is it the worst? Have you had better? Have you had worse? I don't know, but that's what I got, so that's what I'm using. Okay, let me hop up in this bitch. Now it's got gears.
See if it don't spark.
We're going to end the video here. The truck is completely ready for sled pull.